If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Dogecoin video update. Now today I'm just gonna continue this from where we left off yesterday, because I made a video for the moment of truth and everybody liked this video, so thank you very much. 1800 people watched it, but still nobody disliked this video at all. Now the thing is that I did actually mention the moment of truth. Oh, my spelling was wrong, forgive me for that. But anyways, I'm not a genius or an English teacher, but I'm chart reader. So the thing is that this is what I said. Forward to is to actually see it break above this line, come out to 10566 and backtest 9948, and there could be chances of moving all the way up to 13328, as I told you. And that's pretty much it, because I said back to the charts right here. And by the way, I do have 3 more days to close the signal. If you want to join that, do check it out. And if you're new, always press the bell icon, because you get notification when you press a bell icon. Now one is going to say that, hey, Atom Coins, we broke out of that blue line that you said. Yes, you did. Now, does that mean it's going to move up? It's going to move up? Wait, hold on, kid. I don't think it wants to move up. I don't think it wants to move up, because it failed terribly. As a matter of fact, according to me personally, it never ever stayed above 0.09894. And you might say, what does that even mean? Because you do have this green candle right here, and it actually stayed and closed above that. No, it didn't. And the reason why it didn't is because you always have to confirm things on a higher time frame, like the daily. If you look at the daily, I told you about it, okay? I told you about it. That blue line is important to break out of. And what did you do? You never broke out of it. Instead, you made a wick up there. And if I turn on the lines, look at the line. Never. That line, look at that. Look at that. Here's the proof. Never ever touched the line. It never did. So that was a big failure. And unfortunately, we do have a technical target pending to come down to nearly 4920, 0.04 or 0.05 from 0.09 here. So that's almost like a 50% dump. And the reason why I'm talking about this being a 50% dump is because, number one, it's believable looking at what Bitcoin is, the structure of what Bitcoin is making up, and Bitcoin is actually making the patterns and structures to go down to 12,000 and 8,000. So right now, my personal friendly recommendation is, if someone wants to buy, I probably don't recommend you to buy at the moment. And yes, unless you're not closing above that blue line again on the daily or on a higher time frame or on the 4-hour time. Even on the 4-hour time frame, you didn't hold the retest. If you want to talk about the 4-hour time frame that it broke out, what about the retest? We never even actually held the retest. I told you it's important to come down and backtest, but the backtest failed and it closed below the line once again. So this is pretty much the let's just say that's the end of the pump for Dogecoin at the moment. If anyone enjoyed all of this move to the upside, like a 46% move, which is pretty incredible and amazing, congratulations. But now, unfortunately, you're having some RSI being overbought at the moment. So if you look at the RSI, you are at one place of a big resistance, and this is where you don't want to buy things, okay? Because if you look at it this way, this is where it always goes on to sell off. So the last time you came to that line, you came nearly that line, pushed to the downside, came nearly that line, pushed to the downside, came up to that line again, pushed to the downside, came up this time again. You've actually made a double top as well. Now it's time to go back to that support level of a buying area. So maybe if you want to buy, that's the lowest level of the RSI that you might be looking forward to in the future. So hold on your bags, and maybe it's just a shorting opportunity more than a longing opportunity and a buying opportunity. So that's pretty much it for this update. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.